As our population is aging rapidly, this is one important area that we need to focus on. I am therefore heartened to note that the Singapore Polytechnic Centre for Applications in Rehabilitation Engineering to help people who are disabled to cope with their disabilities.
Way back in '93, when you first started SP Care, and seeing some of the very first experiments or projects that were done, and we knew then, a few of us, that it was the beginning of something that's going to be very beautiful, something that's going long-term, something that really will transform and really touch lives.
SPK was formed actually based on a lot of requests from the VWO. They actually go through Poly different departments and ask for projects. So I proposed a paper to set up a center where all the requests can be centralized. With this, in 1992, we formed SPK, fully supported by then Principal Khoo Teck Puat and Deputy Principal Edward Hua.
So in 1993, it started with a few student projects. An annual exhibition and project handover ceremony was conducted. Initially, projects came as a result of requests from various voluntary welfare organizations. But later on, as SPK became more well-known, clients would directly contact SPK.
One of the fond memories which I have is working with Mr. Johnny Ang. Mr. Ang himself is a mouth painter who is paralyzed from the neck down. We have did an easel for him to help him to do his artwork easily, both at home as well as when he was outside. It was quite unfortunate that last year, Mr. Johnny Ang passed away. Mr. Ang has always told me that he's very thankful to SPK because he was able to seek help quite easily when he's in need.
Well, about 8 years ago, my good friend Johnny Yang had this easel at home, and I asked him who was the one who did it for him. So I learned about SPK and their easel project. I'm not able to hold the brush with my hands, and I bite the brush with my mouth. Because of that, my reach is limited. So with this easel, it speeds up the whole process and makes it easier for me to do my paintings well. And because it's only a press of a button, I don't have to have somebody standing by just to adjust the canvas for me.
Another fond memory which I have is the visit of the Thai princess Mahachakri Sritom to SPK in 2004 as well as 2006. I remember that when she came to SPK, she saw one of the exhibits, which is a mouth-feeding device, and she was very fascinated. She was telling her delegates that could be done for the disabled people in Thailand.
SPK is great to have partnership with the VWOs for the past 20 years. VWOs like Bishan Home, Oceans Home, St. Andrew Hospital, Association of Persons with Special Needs. You can work on projects that is beneficial to your residents.
Over the last 4 years, we have been working with Singapore Polytechnic SPK on various projects on assistive equipment for our residents. Initially, I had some hesitancy because I have not worked with them before. So I attended one of their open houses and I was very impressed with some of the products they have made for other homes. So we signed up SPK for assistive equipment which help our residents straighten their backs. From this, we went on to develop a few other projects which we were very happy with. As the projects went along, I was pleasantly surprised to see the level of sophistication improved. We are looking forward to more projects that would be more assertive in helping our residents to ambulate better. This is very important because we need to help the disabled to live more meaningful lives, and they can only do so if they are able to ambulate and move around.
SP Care projects has been of great help for us. The exercise machines has been of great help because it is not only just a machine for them, it could be used as an exercise in a playful manner because of the way they are designed.
我自从中风之后， 就来了这个物理治疗室，能够得到这个工具，对我是很大的帮忙。我也很感激新加坡理工学院的同学们能够设计这样好的工具给我们病人。
The standing frame has benefited many of my patients in improving their standing tolerance. It is portable, easy to use, and very cost efficient. So I look forward to future projects with SP Care.
From the bottom of our hearts, on behalf of Bishan Home and the residents here, we would like to thank SP Care for helping us in providing these exercise machines.
Thank you, SP Care.